It's been an interesting summer in the Dallas-Fort Worth real estate market, and while there's some predictability, there's also always unpredictability. I'm Randi Dukes with Repeat Realty, a realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex, and I'm going to give you a quick market update for the third quarter of 2023. We're still in a seller's market with small glimmers of hope for buyers. So why is it a seller's market? It's because inventory remains low. The demand exceeds the supply. We have 2.4 months of inventory currently, and last year at this time we had 1.9. So we are seeing some improvement. What does that mean? It means that it would take 2.4 months to sell all of the current inventory at the current sales pace. To give you a little more clarity, we are 50% lower on inventory than we were this time pre-pandemic. As I said in my last market update, it's a great time to sell a house. Houses nationwide are seeing 3.3 offers per house right now. Now, those are houses that are priced well and are ready to sell. We aren't seeing that on every house on the market. I'm really seeing a strategy, and I'm using this strategy with my clients as well, of pricing at the lower end of the optimal range and then seeing multiple offers that drive up the listing price. We're seeing houses that are priced on the higher end of that spectrum, and they do tend to sit a little bit longer, so it seems like it's a pretty effective strategy for selling. Not all houses are getting multiple offers, even when priced correctly. The days on market, however, are still really good. In Denton County in general, we're seeing about 72 days on market. That's about a 34-day close and 38 days before you're seeing an offer on the house, if I'm doing my math right. In Flower Mound, that tends to be a little bit lower, 18 days on the market before you get an offer. We're seeing the same in Highland Village. Lewisville and Frisco actually are seeing slightly longer days on market, but it's still a really competitive market. Typically within about 30 days, we're seeing a good offer on a house. So I say that to tell sellers not to lose heart when their house has been on the market for 1 week and they don't have an offer. We still have a little bit of that pandemic mindset where we expect everything to fly off the market, and it just isn't the case. On the buyer side, multiple offers are making it a little bit tricky again. And if you're adding a contingency or a buy down to that, it makes it even more difficult. And I will say, as we're seeing people get used to interest rates, I'm really seeing fewer buy downs on sales contracts. I think people have gotten over the initial shock of those slightly higher, but historically normal interest rates. So what's the bottom line? It's still a great time to sell, and it's really a pretty decent time to buy. It just requires a little bit more patience. There are houses available, and we're not seeing fierce competition on any of them. If you're interested in buying or selling in the DFW metroplex, or you just have questions, I'd love to chat. You can find all of my contact information in the description below.